Hey everyone, AJ here with another episode of My Options. Um, we're gonna look at today is first of all we're gonna go over kind of what happened yesterday. So I sold a lot of my calls that and puts that were expiring 9/11. Robinhood is still not letting me sell these guys, so um, they're saying it's gonna mark me as a day trader. So by the time I fix that issue with them, they're just these guys are just gonna expire. So I have some really bad losses, completely honest, for 9/11. Peloton is my only hope with earnings today, and I don't like playing through earnings, but um, you know, they're expected to really destroy earnings, and they just launched a new bike that's cheaper to drive up revenue. Um, so I'm definitely going to hold because earnings is after today. So I'm definitely going to hold until tomorrow to ride that wave. And I just hope it just gets to 110 so I can break even. Um, Zoom is definitely probably not going to tank anymore. Intel's not really moving. DraftKings is at 40, and it's got some great news. The NFL is back today as well. So I believe it's up in pre-market here. Let me just check. Yeah, it's up $1. So it's if it can break the resistance or all-time high of 44, I have a chance here. So stay tuned for tomorrow for an update tomorrow. Chewy, same thing. I believe they're up pre-earning. They're up pre-market as well. Yeah, they're up pre-market as well. Um, Hopefully they give me a little run. Neo is completely shot. Plug still has a chance next week. I bought in this ALBO put 2 days ago. Healthcare company came out with some groundbreaking medicine, and they skyrocketed. And then they had another green day yesterday, only a couple of dollars. Hold on, yeah, um, yeah, $42. They went up like $2 yesterday. I expect them, to be honest, to start to decline over the next week, and that's where my put's going to capitalize. Um, and then what else do I have? Oh yeah, I still have this Disney call for 918. I know I'm down 220, but they just got a price target raise, and hopefully if the market starts bouncing back, I expect Disney to start climbing. They are releasing a ton of new movies. Workhorse is doing fine. Might sell that probably Friday. Tesla's making a bounce back. This has some time. I mean, I don't expect me to break even. I mean, since it's tanked, 720 call is kind of way out, but yeah. Penn has some momentum with NFL coming back as well. I believe they're up. Yes, they are $3. That's great news. Um, so I have a call on that for $80, and it's now making its way up. So that's great news. Run, same thing. Solar, Microsoft is probably going to go down. Might want to consider selling this now that TikTok might be finding a way not to sell all of its company and you know be eligible in the U.S. Apple call. Not sure if this is gonna. I'm hoping this bounces back. 185 is kind of high, but um, yeah, we will see. Grow. I'm gonna dissect Grow, Solo, and Blink on Friday, or I might even wait till expiration since these are so in the hole because of the tank, unfortunately. So don't really look at these. Facebook. I have a 320 call and 920. I started purchasing. What I did yesterday is I actually purchased a bunch of options that were weeks out, so like 2 weeks out, just to give the market some time to kind of rebound and recover. Um, I think Facebook is going to climb. They're doing nothing but good things. I actually purchased a Twitter call as well. I don't know. I just have a feeling that they haven't denied that they're not going for TikTok. I know they're not even in discussion, but um, if they were to acquire them, Twitter would be Twitter could do some really cool things. AMD up $45, still growing. Now this is where and oh yeah, I have another Apple call for 140 expiring in 2 weeks. There's no way in hell that Apple can't get back to 140 in 2 weeks, especially after dropping new products next week. and the new software. And they have their meeting on the 15th. So some things happening with Apple. Highly consider getting in on that. Tesla. So I bought a vertical spread. I honestly don't know what the hell happened. I don't know if this is true or not, but at 350, guys, I was at minus 253 total. And then within 5 minutes, well, 10 minutes, I jumped. No, 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, no, 10 minutes. Yeah. I jumped a whole $1,000. Do you see my total account? 1,400 actually. And that 1,400 came from Tesla. And if you look at Tesla, I don't know what happened. If we looked at Tesla, um, right here, look, 360, 361, 361, 360. Then all of a sudden, it jumps $8 in 5 minutes. Look at that. And I don't know if this is a bug or if this really happened. Um, but then after hours, it started like, you can see it started tanking, right? But then it's up another $18, um, which is great. Great news, man. Like, it's about time. I'm hoping this is a sign of a rebound. But I don't know if this is true or not. Robinhood always bugs out with vertical spreads. So I'm going to see when the market opens. But I mean, I got in on this yesterday. So this could be a great call for me. I just wanted to play it safe. But I also have another 740 call on 925. And the reason why I put these at 925 is because Tesla's battery day is on the 22nd, and they're going to release a groundbreaking battery. And that's pretty much what Tesla's known for. They patent their battery technology so no one else can get it, and they'll sell it to people. But it's mainly on house and it's on their products. So, Elon's gonna drop something legit, supposedly groundbreaking, and we're gonna see. But this is all good news, guys, and I'm hoping this stays like this, and we keep going up. These past 3 days have been really rough, especially for tech, and that's what I love the most. And I'm mainly a tech investor, um, so I'm hoping we have a nice little bounce back here. And I think for my moves, I would are Tesla any strike price you can afford at 925. Like I said, Elon's dropping a battery. Workhorse, huge fan of them. Another electric company. They're up as well. I was actually up 300 the first day, but couldn't sell because I'm a day trader on Robinhood, and they have a new price target, I believe, at $30. Disney, again, I told you guys, I believe they have a new price target of 145. I got in on a strike call at 165. Um, it's a little risky and a little out the money, down 200 as well. But I think Disney bounces back as the market bounces back. And then I told you guys about ALBO. Um, but yeah, really hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Kept it short and sweet. I want to keep doing these for you guys, keep giving you guys suggestions. I know I'm kind of haven't hit anything in the past 2 days or so, 3 days of the market, but just stay with me. We're gonna get some green numbers soon, especially if this is true. Um, and I think Peloton could bounce back. So that's something you guys might want to consider as well, getting a 918 expiration on Peloton, especially after earnings. I think they actually climb after earnings. I know a lot of stocks don't do that, but I actually do think it could be uh, potentially a, uh, a good buy. That's really it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.